I'm going to show you how to manage the SEO and ranking of your site. First of all, what is SEO? It's a set of techniques aimed at improving your website's visibility in search engine results, which is crucial because it helps attract more visitors and therefore potentially increase your sales or brand awareness. The first thing to do is to define the title of your website, which will appear in Google search results. To do this, go to Settings, General Settings, SEO and Meta Tags. The second step is the most important. It's about optimizing the title and content of the pages and articles on your site, based on the keywords you want to appear for when users are on their search engine. To do this, the easiest way is to type in the keywords or questions that your visitors might have into Google and look at the first organic results that come up, meaning the non-sponsored ones. Look at titles of pages and content. Take inspiration from the structure of your pages and articles, and then create your own personal content. On a technical level, it's important to link your site to Google Search Console. Once you have created your account in Search Console, go back to Site Creator to put in the code that will link Google to your website. Go to Applications and click on Add to Google, then insert your verification code from Search Console. Additionally, you should link your site to an analytics tool that will give you much more precise information about your traffic, the duration that people spent on your site, and so on. To do this, create a Google Analytics or Matomo account, which is much more privacy-friendly. And then, in Site Creator, you can insert the tracking code, which will also create a link between your analytics tool and your website. And finally, one last thing. If you want to advertise with Google, Meta, Twitter, or LinkedIn, you'll need to insert a tracking code to also create a link between the digital advertising platform and your site. This will allow it to optimize your ads based on the data that your website will send once your users have clicked on your ads. Site Creator also makes it easy for you to insert the tracking code. Still in Settings, SEO and Meta at the bottom of the page. And there you go. You have the essential basics to optimize your site and your pages so that your prospects can find your site as easily as possible. Optimizing a site for search engines is a field in its own right. I encourage you to check out tutorials or guides to deepen your knowledge. Don't forget, it's normal for your site not to appear at the top of Google's results. It's a process that takes time. New sites take longer to appear than old domain names. So you need to closely observe the pages that rank at the top of the results. Use these structures as inspiration to adapt them to your site.